Right guys, welcome to another video. This is just going to be a quick one, but also I can't actually believe I'm saying this. When I started this channel, I never actually expected to get anywhere. I never expected to do anything. But now here I am recording a video telling you guys that merch is now released. It's mind-blowing, absolutely mind-blowing. It's I don't deserve none of this, and you guys have made this happen. So I sincerely appreciate this from the bottom of my heart. The car is now finished, which you will all see soon. The back bumper's done. If you follow me on Instagram, which is on the screen, or has been on the screen for this video, then you will have seen some photos I've posted. There will be a video just showcasing the car when it's finished. So, but yeah, thank you guys, like, seriously, from the bottom of my heart. What are you doing, camera? Seriously, thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. I sincerely appreciate it more than any of you guys will know. Any of this clothing that sells, anything that gets made from it is literally going straight back into the car, straight back into YouTube, straight back into the channel to get the content for you guys. So, as you can see, beanie hat. We've got some beanie hats, got some t-shirts going. We've also got some snapbacks. So yeah, to order them, obviously link is in the description, but if not, go to www.rustyfat.co.uk. You can order through there, pay by PayPal, all that sort of stuff. All the clothes are made to order, so once you order it, there will be a few days before it gets shipped, but I can mark it as shipped once it is set out. Everything will be posted first class as well. So yeah, genuinely, I can't thank you guys enough. I sincerely, I can't even say that word. Sincerely appreciate it more than you guys will ever know. Honestly, it means everything to me. It really does. And you guys have made this happen, and everything else. So you guys want to keep making me push myself, and yeah, I sincerely appreciate it. I said it that time. So yeah, thank you very much. Like, comment, subscribe, all that sort of stuff. And from the bottom of my heart, anybody that orders, thank you very much. Peace.